So in this video, I'm going to guide how to make this work cryptotics. So first of all, go to the tools and options. Here, make sure this is checked. Allow web request for listed URLs. Then you have to add the URL which is mentions on the product documentation page. In case of Binance, this is api.binance.com, api.binance.com for the spot. fstream.binance.com, this is for futures. Stream.binance.com is for spot. If you want to use another exchange, then you will find this URL on the product documentation page. So once you make sure it exactly matches like this, and you don't have to put any HTTPS before that. Click OK. Now open any chart like gold and make sure once you purchase the program, you'll get the file cryptotics. Drag and drop it here. For the first time, you will have to create symbols. So, for example, I'm showing you the demo for the Binance Spot. Here we click Binance Spot, create symbol for on the start true. Click OK. So you see it's printing a starting symbol creation for Binance Spot. Okay. So wait a little bit because it will take time according to the number of sizes of the symbol. So I already created the symbol, so it says already exist. If there is a new update, then you see these are the new symbols. It has been created successfully. ETHU. Okay. And after creating the symbol, the expert is all automatically removed. Now you have to shut down the MT4, MT5. Click close here. Then open the MT5 again. Restarting is an important step after creating the symbol. So go to the symbol section here and you'll find symbols such as Binance underscore spot. Here you see all the prefixes are like BS underscore. It means Binance spot. If you create symbols for Binance future, you'll find the prefix like A underscore. So now we are on the Binance spot and we can search symbols like BS underscore, BTC USDT. Double click to select it. ETH. I select two symbols for demo. Close the chart. You can open the charts here. Click this icon to make sure they are like that. You see, I have already have some data, but when you create symbols, you will find no data on the chart, and the page will look like this. So once you do this, we go to the next step. Add once more time here. You add the EA on the gold chart or any chart, and now here you have to load the history in the next step. So I select history downloader, select your exchange, it's Binance Spot, and now there is a history settings. If you want to add custom history, then you can put the date here. And for the first time, it should be false. Okay. So if you add the date here, you have to go to the settings and select custom or max. So here you see the date is 1/1/2025. And this is should be false, and now you click OK. You see the panel for history updated. So for the date field where you have added the date, if you select all and click update, then it will load the history from 1st January 2025 because you have added this year. If you don't want to load that much history, you have the time frame to select. For example, I want to load the history for 2 days, so I select D2, click update here. I see 26th January, today is 28th January, so it has already updated it. Once it updates, it will show a message like update completed. So here you see the history for 2 days has been loaded. If you select D1 chart, then you can see two candles. It means 2 day history has been updated. Now, once you do it, go to the expert setting again, click properties, and here you select it to true. Click OK, and you just minimize the chart and never close it. Okay, this means when I restart MT5, let me show you demo. I close the MT5 and I restart the MT5. As soon as I restart MT5, you'll see the history has been automatically updated. All the missing bars has been filled. Okay, and when I restart again, it will again fill it because we have opened the working EA on this chart. If you close it, then it will no longer work. Now open one more gold chart again, and here we have to add the live tick data. So here we go. Make sure live ticks is selected. Select your exchange, Binance Spot. Now, Binance Spot and Binance Futures provide two types of tick data. First one is ticker, and second one is book ticker. Okay, book ticker is provided at 0 ms speed, and this one is provided at 100 ms speed. So I select book ticker and just click OK, and make sure you minimize the chart. If you close the chart, then the tick data will stop working. So now you can see, if I add, go to the properties, show bid price and ask price. Here you see the chart is moving. Okay, so your live data and history is already there, and here you can see ETH chart, it's also moving. Okay, so this is the demo for adding two symbols. Now if you want to add more symbol, you can add simply like BS underscore Sol USDT. But once you add the symbol here in the market watch, you see the price is not updating because it will require you to restart the MT5. So close the MT5 and restart the MT5. Then here you see the sold price is also updated. Show bid and ask line, and here you see it's moving. Okay, moving, right? So this is how you do it. If you want to add more symbol, you can add it here. Now there is one more feature. Let's say your internet connection is slow, or for some reason the data from the Binance server may be lost. Okay, for even for 1 second, if your internet drops, then it's possible that ticks will history, the candle data may be wrong. So what you can do, open the gold chart once again. Okay, and now once again add this crypto ticks on the chart, and this time select scheduled updater. What this will do, it will uh, keep updating your OHLC uh, data of the candles. For example, every candle has open, high, and low close. These are the main information which makes sure that whenever your EA do analysis, your data is always correct. So select Binance Spot, and here you see scheduled update setting. So let's say I want to update every 5 minutes, and number of candles 5. So it will what it will do, every 5 minutes it will replace last 5 candles, and make sure that their OHLC and volume data is exactly as stored in the Binance server. So click OK, and here you see it's printing a message starting update from starting scheduled update mode, and you see three symbols scheduled update completed. Now if you will wait 5 minutes more, then you will see that message again. It means it has been overwriting the past 5 candles. Okay, This will make sure that your data is always correct, okay, no matter what. So this is how three functions I have shown you for the crypto ticks, okay. And once you do this, you can save the profile like here, click save, and that's it's all your profile is saved, okay. And regarding the other symbols, if you want to use other exchange, for example, I add it here. You see the list of available exchange. We have Kucoin spot, Kucoin futures, Bybit futures, Bybit inverse, XT spot, and XT futures. Okay, these exchange, same process you can follow. For example, if I want to run Bybit, then I select Bybit futures. But first of all, you have to create a symbol, set it true, then it will create the symbol. After that, you restart the terminal, then you load the history and make sure the live ticks you add on the chart. Same process, okay, for all the uh, same exchanges available on the crypto tips. So that's all in this information. I hope you liked and my instructions were clear. If you have any questions, you can send me a message to my MQL profile, and I will make sure I answer you as soon as possible. That's all. Thanks for watching.